Yeah, you're still forgotten. You know, I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this because this is your first time in YouTube. A lost subscriber is the part of our channel. Remember, that is the part. That is the part of our YouTube. Lost subscriber. So, tell to Noemi. Noemi is also lost her subscriber. That is the part of our channel. That is the part. That is the part of our YouTube. Lost subscriber. Me too. I'm always lost my subscriber. You ask Noemi. Noemi also lost his subscriber. Don't stress over